Welcome back to VLADA'S Place. In today's video, I'm just going to give you a quick overview on how to make paella. Detailed recipe on how to make paella can be found on our YouTube channel under the name of @Mr. Joe's House, posted in February of 2021. This time we are taking a shortcut to making a paella, and we are making half meat, half seafood. We're going to start with pre-cooking beef ribs, chicken and sausages. The idea is to pre-cook them quickly and to get that nice browny crust. And once they're cooked about halfway through, remove them, and then we're going to come back and pre-cook the seafood. After beef is done, we're going to cook some squid, some salmon, shrimp and scallops. In our last recipe, Chef David showed us an assortment of vegetables and spices that go into paella mix. This time we're using jarred, pre-mixed seasoning. Also, we're using bomba rice and some white wine. In addition to white wine, we're also going to need some strong broth, and you can go either with the chicken broth or a beef broth.
Paella was not enough. We are all back today to make it twice as big and twice as good.
This is the paella redemption.
Next, we're going to add beef and sausages and chicken on one side and all the rest of the seafood on the other side, including clams and any other seafood that you would like to include in your paella. Good taste is crucial, but looks are just as important, so do finish up your paella with slices of red, yellow, green pepper and maybe a little bit of green peas like we're doing here. Cover it all and let it simmer until the rice is thoroughly cooked.
Chefs have been messing with.
This is perfect.
You happy with what you got?
Yep. I like it. I think it's time to uncover it maybe. So, what do you think? Sacarle la cubierta porque
because it's getting a little too puffy.
So hold on, let me do this.
Very, very, very good. It's bursting with flavor, and it's well, we're trying the seafood side. Some we don't have a clean spoon to try the beef side, but it is delicious. And the rice definitely makes the difference because they've been stressing about the bomba rice, bomba rice, and now I see why. It's really creamy.
Yes, and it has to be bomba rice. It has to be a short rice. It becomes almost like a sticky rice.
Right.
The problem is if you use a long grain rice, it's gonna get a little bit too dry. It's gonna soak too much of the liquid, and you want to have a good balance between how wet the paella is gonna be and how soft the rice is.
And how much flavor will rice be able to absorb?
Yes.
It's excellent. It's just excellent.
And as you can see, all the peppers and the peas and everything is used as a
For the color and the
almost like a
creation.
topping, just for just presentation.
All right. Gonna dig in a little bit deeper. Excellent. Thank you guys. This is watching this and learning from people who know how this is done right has been a privilege. Thank you for sharing.
This is
Chef Eric.
his version of the paella. We all have a different version, right? But came out pretty good.
Well, we do have one problem here, Erica. The problem is you're the only one who owns this dish, which means every time we need to make
Exactly.
a new
He's
one,
gonna have to be the one
you
to
have
make
to
it.
come with it.
Exactly.
But
That's
next
right.
time I won't cook it, I'll just bring the product.
Maybe next time I do it, you want
Let somebody
to do
else cook it, right?
okay? All right, very good. Thank you.
This dish looks like a celebration of flavors, and anytime you have a dish like this, make sure that you share it with your friends and that you use the opportunity to celebrate good things in life. Thank you all so much for watching and for spending time with us. I want to say special thank you to my Chilean, Colombian, Peruvian, Mexican, and Guatemalan friends, and everybody else who brought their music and flavors to this special dinner. I would encourage you to take a moment to find out more about my charity and our mission to help reconnect families and communities in America. Until the next video and the next cooking adventure, I hope you will send us your likes and you will subscribe. Thank you very much.
It's all in the face.